How to fix battery draining problem on Android. So first and foremost, swipe down your notification panel. So make sure that you have your dark theme enabled and your battery saver, and that will help you a lot in battery draining problem. Next, open your settings and in the search for battery manager here. Now tap on use battery manager and make sure it is toggled on. This will notify when the applications are draining your battery pretty quickly, and you can just shut it off right there. And the next step is to go to your apps and then tap on all apps. Here you have to select any application that uses your all-time location feature and just toggle it off. Or you can just go ahead and toggle off or turn off your location when you are not using it, because one of the quickest reason of your battery draining is the location sharing. Now once you do that, what you can do next is you can go ahead and check for your system update. Make sure that your system is up to date. And that's all for this video as well. Make sure to give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.